First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, there's a possibility we could see a few strong to severe thunderstorms here in southern Kentucky as the day progresses. We've got an upper level disturbance that's right over us this morning, and then a cold front's going to come in later. And both of those items will help produce the thunderstorms. It's behind it, though, much cooler air, even some Arctic-like air that's going to move into the region. We're seeing thunderstorms this morning. Most of these on radar are kind of moving in a northeasterly fashion, as you can see, kind of lining up with the western Kentucky and the Bluegrass Parkway region, but these eventually will move southward as we go through time. And because of that and the heavy rain potential, maybe even some damaging straight line winds, there is a slight risk a few of those storms could become severe, especially this afternoon. Now, if we can keep cloud cover in here, limiting the instability over southern Kentucky, then maybe a little less of a severe weather threat for us this afternoon and this evening. This morning, what we're going to find along that line of thunderstorms that you saw on radar is little pockets of heavy rain, maybe some rumbles of thunder, and then a drenching downpour. That could cause some concerns with localized flooding in some cases. But either way, we're going to kind of keep a watch of what develops today, because after this afternoon, once we get through that secondary cold front, things should begin to wind down, and tomorrow is going to feel much different than what you're feeling today or have felt over the last few days. Precipitation already coming in, rainfall amounts off to the north of us where we've had the stronger thunderstorms, over 3/10 of an inch of rain up in E-Town, already nearly 1/10 of an inch over in Hodgenville. We've got almost 2/10 of an inch of rain in Calhoun. Just this morning, Greenville, you're starting to get some rain. Hartford and Litchfield now reporting some rain showers moving through those areas. The temperature trend, that's going to be the big deal that we're going to see after today. The average high, 90 degrees. Today, we're certainly going to hit 88 before the thunderstorms roll in, but look what happens over the next couple of days. This is an unseasonable trend here that we're looking at. Highs only in the upper 70s Tuesday and Wednesday as that Arctic high heads southward. We'll jump back to near 80 Thursday, back to 78 on Friday, and then, of course, we'll climb back into the mid-80s for the end of the weekend. But as we mentioned last week, we were giving you a hint of things to come, and it's on its way after we get through the stormy day today, relaxing the temperatures tomorrow. And some of these temperatures that you see right now will actually be high temperatures for the day tomorrow and for Wednesday. We're looking at low to mid 70s across the area right now. A cloudy sky as we look live from our AAA Systems Doppler cam at this hour. The current temperature 76 degrees, a south wind coming in at 8 miles per hour, high dew points, and of course humidity extra high right now in advance of that disturbance and cold front. 95 the high yesterday, 5 degrees above the average. 71 was our low. We still have some rainfall to catch up with. In fact, still running almost 4.5 inches below our year-to-date average. Air quality, we'll still run the UV index high today because of the sun and clouds, but molds are low. Ozone is the one that's come up into the moderate category. The pollen count is actually on the low side, even though there's a lot of seasonal allergies going around, as you can hear. 86 in Campbellsville today, 85 Greensburg, 86 in Columbia, all around the Green River Lake area. And, of course, the Powerball and the Mega Millions jackpots will be updated here in the next hour or two. 78, the high temperature at the current temperature at the Bowling Green Airport. Cooler 50s and 60s well off to the north of us as that colder air, yes, colder air, begins to move in. Here's our disturbance this morning, setting up some decent rainfall just off to the north and west of us. All of that will be pushing southward with the advent of the cold front, which will come in later. So we'll see the round of thunderstorms this morning and packing some heavy rain at times. And then the secondary front will come on through this evening and put an end to the rain showers, but then usher in some cooler, drier, unseasonably cooler air that's going to be with us for the next several days. You're going to think it's October in some cases instead of mid-July. Yes, it's happened before, but it's a little bit unusual when it does happen. We'll take it, though. Showers and thunderstorms becoming likely. High today of 88. There could be some heavy rain in there. Then for tonight, showers and thunderstorms coming to an end late. A low of 67 tomorrow. It's just going to feel wonderful. Sunny, 79 into the mid 50s Tuesday night, Wednesday night, 77 Wednesday, around 80 on Thursday, 78 Friday, with another chance of showers and thunderstorms returning, scattered about on Saturday and Sunday, certainly not a washout, and then the humidity returns and we go back into the mid 80s.